Hello superstars, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to be teaching you how to make money watching videos, just like the way you're watching this video right now. You're going to be earning money. You can just go over to the website, just a particular website, just go over to the website, watch videos, and you get paid. As easy as that. Please, if you came across the channel right now, please subscribe to the channel because it is going to be very helpful. And if you're a returning subscriber, please like this video, and if you have any comments, please leave it down there in the comment section because it's going to be very encouraging. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, please subscribe. It is really going to be helpful, and give this video a like thumbs. Okay, so let's get into the video. Now what you just need is your Google and internet, just like the way I have right here, and then move over to Google and search for My Points. Okay, let me research it so that it will not be as if I black folded it. Okay, let me search it. My Points. Okay, so you're gonna go over to My Points. Okay, so once you come over to My Point, this is what you are going to be seeing right here. As you can see, how much is one My Point worth? Okay, as you can see, $35. And then how many points is $1? 10 points per dollar spent. Okay, how does My Point work? You can just come over here and read everything about this My Point, but it's gonna pay you just to watch videos. Yes, it's going to pay you just to watch videos. As you can see, okay, let me say you're gonna log in, or you're gonna create an account and get paid, or you're gonna search and earn, or you do rewards, or discover hot deals. All the rest of these are the things that My Point is ready to offer you, but you're watching videos to get paid. So what you just have to do, if you want to know more about this mypoint.com, you can just come over to their official page, just search on My Point on your mobile phone, and then you're gonna be seeing something like this. Here is the image part of the My Point, as you can see right here. Okay, so let's go over to the main things. You're gonna be clicking on login if you already have an account, but if you don't have an account, you're just gonna be clicking on this other part. Let me use my brush to show you. You're gonna be clicking on this, you're gonna be clicking on that. So once you click on that, you're going to allow the light page to open. This website is going to pay you just to watch videos. Like, it is literally easy. It's literally easy. Okay, as you can see, and as you join My Points, as you join mypoint.com as a new user, you're going to get either $10 gift card for Amazon or $10 Visa gift card. Yeah, you're going to get either of these. So you're just going to choose the one that you want. Either you want this one or you want this one. So you click on any one of your choice, you put in your email, and then you put in your password, and then you join. If you still have any doubt, or you want to see read more about My Point, you can still come over down, and then you can read more about it. And these are other countries, other companies that sponsor My Point. You can just come over here and watch videos to get paid. You can see within your point for gift card. As you can see, there are many gift cards here. There are Amazon, there are Walmart, Groupon, Expedia, eBay, Best Buy. There are many. You can also get paid to answer survey. You can do a lot of things here, but the main thing is to watch videos. So just create an account. If you don't have to create an account, you are just fixing your email and your password. Click on join now to get registered on My Point and start making money, just like the way each and everybody out there is making money with this platform called mypoints.com. Please, if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It is going to be very encouraging. Please leave a comment if you haven't, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye.